Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook login error. An unexpected error occurred. Please try logging in again. So guys, if you are trying to log in your account on Facebook but you are facing this issue on your Apple device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So guys, for that you have to simply watch this video till the end. So guys, the very first solution for this problem is that you have to simply clear apps cache on your Apple device first. So guys, for that open settings on your device and then go to general and then go to iPhone storage and wait here for some seconds and now go to Facebook and then offload the app, and after this download and install the latest version of Facebook app on your device. So guys, for that you have to simply go back to your home screen and now open your app store and search for Facebook and download and install the latest version of Facebook app on your device. So I do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then force restart your device for one time as well. So guys, for that press and release the volume up button and then down and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then you have to simply open settings on your device and then you have to go to the general settings and then go to software update and update your software to the latest version. Go back and now scroll it below and go to date and time and set your date and time from here. Again, go back and go to language and region, tap on region and select your country or region correctly. Again, go back and now go to VPN and device management and make sure that there is no connected VPN on your device. And if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it, and after this go back and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if the problem is still there, then go to transfer reset iPhone, then tap on reset and reset network settings of your device for one time. So guys, do this and check if the problem is fixed or not, and if the problem is still there, then drag down your control center and change your internet connection for one time as well. So guys, do this and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.